This is Trivae, the perfect accessory for any kitchen. Trivae is a one-of-a-kind lid holder and dual trivet all in one. It's easy to use, minimizes clutter, and is heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Better still, it helps to minimize burns, the spread of germs, and damage to surfaces while cooking. Trivae is made of durable cast metal and non-slip silicone pads that combine in an ergonomically sleek and modern design. Simply click Trivae into one of 3 set positions. The Z shape is perfect for holding hot lids of any size while cooking or presenting finished dishes in a unique and eye-catching way. Easily close Trivae to use as a classical trivet. This position also allows for compact storage anywhere. Expand Trivae for larger casseroles or for displaying multiple dishes. Weighing less than 2 pounds, Trivae is still incredibly strong and durable, holding any dish up to 10 pounds.
We spent a lot of time thinking through every detail of this product, considering different materials and various models that we could use before arriving at this final design. For example, in the fully open position, the spine is shaped to arch away from dishes and minimize contact with hot surfaces. The Z shape not only supports lids of all shapes and sizes, but also easily accommodates any user's hand with any type of lid handle. The buttons on the spine control the rotation of the rings between functions, and they're smooth and easy to operate. The bottom of each ring is lined with small rubber pads, which prevents Trivae from sliding. Ultimately, this is a product that is very reliable, it's easy to use, and it has an intuitive design.
Besides being functional, we wanted Trivae to have a beautiful aesthetic with strong but graceful curves, for it to be durable but not be bulky. We ultimately opted for an asymmetric design that combined all of those factors to create a sleek and modern look. Trivae is perfect for use when cooking in your kitchen and serving at the dinner table. Whether it's a formal dinner party or a casual barbecue, it's appealing in a variety of settings. It works great for chefs in professional kitchens. And it's also perfect for catering or in a restaurant setting for elevating dishes like a pizza. Because this product is so versatile, we're still coming up with new uses for it.
Visit Trivae.com to connect with us and learn more.
Hi, I'm Svetlana.
And I'm Rebecca. We're the inventors of Trivae. We hope you can tell just how excited we are about bringing this product to market.
We've spent the last 2 years working on the idea, developing the design, a series of prototypes, and also working on our patents. We're now ready to move into production. We have a manufacturer lined up, and we're ready to go.
We've invested everything that we could into bringing the product to this point, but now we're asking for your help. The funding that we received through this campaign will be used to pay for the tooling and our first batch of product.
As an extra show of appreciation, we're also offering several exclusive colors that will only be available through the campaign. Please support us by donating and help us to spread the word.
Thanks for watching.